This is my old house. Look at this shower tile. Blew up. Since I moved in, I never maintained. So basically, tile is basically comes out from wall. And a lot of actually previous owner put the epoxy paint, I think, for the shower. So I trying to just repair, and a lot of this New Jersey water, a lot of minerals build up. Let me clean up this shower room. I want to share with you how to do it by myself. I can do it, you can do it. Let's check it out. Look at this. This is an old style house. Old house. So basically ready to paint. All the sanding tile is back and sand it and masking tape all the place. So time to paint. This is a necessary safe equipment, glove, especially mask, very important. Let's break mask. Alright. And paint, roller,